Eating is a ritual. It helps people to get to know you. My mom and dad met in Mexico City, and that's where I was born. I was sent to a French lycée. They thought French at school, English at home, and wherever we lived, we'd pick up the local language. You had kids from different parts of the world, and my mother would love to have the kids come over to the house, and so she would cook these fabulous meals. Everything was about getting people to the table as a matter of discussing politics, economics, and of course, sharing the bread, sharing good food. Breaking bread is a fabulous experience, and it satisfies the passion that I have for cooking. My dad, at 102, he was named the oldest realtor in the nation. My father taught us, if you're gonna do anything, do it right, do it well, and excel. And I try to do that in everything that I do in life. With friends, family, or clients, you want to get to know them. You want to know how they feel, what they're looking for, etc. You don't just dive in and do a sales pitch. I joined TTR Sotheby's International Realty because it is a very classy brand. The marketing material, the professionalism is an image, and anybody at any level will benefit from that. Not all organizations are that way. And I love Sotheby's because it is a network, it's a worldwide network that we can use in order to ensure that we can manage the portfolio wherever the properties are in the world. Excellence in customer service is making sure that you provide the best you can from A to Z in every transaction.